Jambo, welcome to this tutorial. We are going to speak about the WhatIF analysis, but with the GOALSEEK formulas. So what is the GOALSEEK formula under WhatIF analysis? It's used to find a missing value where it's predetermined, where it is having a predetermined calculation. To better understand that, I'm going to give you an example. So this is a tutorial series, targets, where we say by the end of the year I want to have a total of 1,000 videos. Sorry about that, I just put 1,000 here, I don't know. Okay, so but this is the average, it goes all the way up to here. So we say by the end of the year I want a total of 1,000. End of 10 months, not the year, because it's ending at October, sorry about that. We have 1,000 videos. Okay, that means we need to have an average of 100 videos per month. Okay, so to find that, I have calculated the average amount from here, and we need to find out, now we are in September probably, and we need to find out how many videos we need in October for us to reach 1,000 videos. Okay, so to find that, we use the WhatIF GOALSEEK analysis, and the first thing to do is calculate the average, which is here. Top of my mind, I know the average is supposed to be 100, so after clicking that cell with the formula, we go to data, and then WhatIF analysis, and instead of data table like we did in the previous tutorial, we go to GOALSEEK. First cell asks you the set cell, it's the cell with the formula. To what value? I want to do 100, that's the average per month, but we need the average to get to 100. Now it's at 52. Then by changing which cell, and then I want that cell, we make it absolute, or Excel itself makes it absolute. Then click on OK. It calculates, give it some time, does all the permutations until it will tell you found a solution, may not have found a solution. Let's click on that and see what it is giving. Sometimes it gives you an error, but probably because here I want an average, and the average, all this should be boom. Okay, remove this. I'm just going to use whole numbers. Sometimes it gets tricky to use the random numbers, so I'm going to use I get why, because it still had the other formula. Okay, so I'm going to, let's see if it's the formula. I was using any random number between 1 and 100 to populate this. So I'm going to copy all this, copy, right, then Control Alt V, paste as values and remove the formulas, then do a proper average function for all this, not to N6, I want to M6, enter, does that. Then the sum, I want the sum of all that. So let's try it again. Go to WhatIF analysis, GOALSEEK, N6 of course, then to value, I want it to get to 100, and by changing what cell? Changing this cell, then click on OK. It says found a solution. Voila. So the problem was the formula. You need to not have formulas here, it needs to be a value. Then click on OK, and it tells me I need to make 578 videos in October for me to reach out the goal of 1,000. This can be marks, school marks or something, or whatever you want, but you have a goal with a certain calculation with a missing goal. That's when you use WhatIF analysis to get that certain goal. So see you in the next tutorial, where we'll be talking about 3D maps. See you then. Bye bye.